Imis Padum Yemi Shumgahan Badam Kumanarna, Tramnok Sebol Kurumjari. Nasigi, Maru Pauda, Indian National Army, Han Finance Kiva, Sai Muragatre Subagi, mixing Kumon Palan Torum Pampokre. Sagan Taga Marilena, Tangabi Sing and Tokre. Doksem Subdivision Gi, Saramba, ADC Circle, the PMJAYMD, CMST, Enrollment Drive Chatakre. Lorena CBSC na Nova Class 10 namadi 12 paikha yethokre mairoi singi damak phanaba khanbana government gi ahan thabak ni haina Prime Minister Narendra Modi na haikre hojik mapungro paulo bidasi moirangda Indian National Army gi firal ahan bani sikhet khiba sai humra taret subugi niksing kumon palan thoram ngasi Chief Minister N Birena thoru mitungnen oiduna INA Martyrs Memorial Complex Moirang Pangthokre. Thoromasi Department of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, North-Eastern Council NEC, Amadi Jawaharlal Nehru Manipuri Dance Academy, Impala Punna Kusamnaga Sinmani. Chief Minister N Birena INA Martyrs Memorial Complex da India Masu Hongi Firal Pahenki. Amadi Complex of the Kiliba, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ki mitamda Thoromdu Yawalakba at the dignitary Singaloinana. Chief Minister Singuna Laisu Katke. From the Wang Chief Minister N Birena High British ki colonial rule dagi India winning Tamba Pangana Honavada, Nictam Lami, Neta Subhash Chandra Bose Lokiva Tudangbu, Nixinki. British ki Mayab Satava, India gi Nictam Landa, Tongan leaders sing Sinakiva Lambi Makoi, Manadava, ideology sing Icon Uki. Adubu Makoina Pikiva contributions sing adu Levaxi winning Tamba Panganbada so Sapu Piki. India leader Kayana British Kimayota Satakiba Nictam Landa as a Wutodang Kia Logana Honda Kaversu, Hauzik Lak Liver Generation Asina Makogi Todang Sing Kambitri. Maramasina, Levaxi Leva Nagri Kudimagna, India womaning Makata Maleba Ama Ohena Honavada, Lokiva Todango, Nixing Biba Amadika Kunava, Ulaning Bagi Apamasu, Chief Minister of Hondoki. Chief Minister Makata Adon High. Moirang the Liba INA headquarters say Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Nixing Duna Niktizan Ngak Sengadavani Amadi touristing Puning Sinabagi India gi Matsu Hongi Firal installed Torgani Mama Leba Punuksiba Amadi Amagamaga Kai Kunava Hivasi Akan Beleba Namagi Foundation ni Madamasina Aikoi Miam Punamak na Zati Amaga Topa Zati Amaga lining Lyset Kuning Ikai Kunduna Puna Suddenly the state Asibu Sakut Lambida Puminasi Haina Chief Minister Namiam da appeal Tauki.
Aikoi target government sigi koi target Prajabu Nungai Hanba Prajabu Sentok Lehanba Prajabu Masamo Pana Lehanba Praja si Mimo the depend of Hondo Isagi Matik Chabo Sentok Lehan and the Honogo Adubi Pandam Nekuna Akoyano was a car and a kind of Satana. I said, I don't know, just start off. Man and a community who interview Kanatori, we listen to Tarelai, start up it. Pigani, Heck Alan Bagay, Narol Singh, Aduga Halon Singh, Makut Masa, Haiba, Tabuk Sunimba, Santanimba, a Papa Tabuk Town, the start it to them. Maximum, not less than 5,000. Akoy Moida, Lone Pigani, Grand Pigani, Aduga Fajan to Taurasi, Hozias, Akoy Hanadi, strawberry, Mapani for Umber. Hojiki strawberry, Japoy, Kado. The production is not a way of holding what you have. I think now, I was in a Putoka, look up livelihood mission. I gave Maru Adakis or Torgai, Hogibani, Hoi, State Kilady, Poppet, Laki, Pocky was not delayed of government. I coined a Tawninga target to your wedding of the political instability, Aduga, Covid key, Laki was a him, so Pramaka, Aduna. Towning Mataba, Loinam di Tawang de Dubu, best level that and the Kidu, we don't want to say Marigi celebration, Sahi Marigi booklet. Only Chumnagi like at the Pongo that are visual in one money. TV the Ukruka get away, Sandel the get away, Sochan Pudu get away, Moirang the get away, अदगी वैनाम कई तौगे से कोई लोइना विजुअल होइना गाड़ी द वीडियो थार लोइना काटबो होमबनी अकोई कई मखलम द काउंसिल तौबा हाई तौबा लेते अदुना अतोपा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी खरदी उपाय लेरकदना खबर द कई कनाना ngange na soiba thiraga tawra madai ngang dagi tawle rubune aduna nang sun maduna moi mathong ya soiba thibuna akoi gi thawna praja nunga henba leibak santi le henba praja punamak amatto oina saphat niraga chatmina baduna akoi gi honorable prime minister Narendra Modi ji gi sabke sath sabke vikas sabke vishwas ono ko thajana purga sakdo aduna akoi gi pandam ni
ngasi thormadda Manipur State Pollution Control Board ki chairman L Radhakishore Moirang Assembly constituency ki MLA P Sirchandra retired Lieutenant General Dr Konsam Himalay amadi Commissioner M Joisu saruk yakhi throngi manung chana tongan bakanuk ki cultural dance amadi isai gi thromsu pangthokki Manipur da lariba meitai Hindu laining chatpasigi anu sahi lapagi kumhai cherauba ngasi pangthoknakre numisida mayamna ahawba mathai lukoi haira imung dala liba laing thau katlaba matung thongal da lamlai ahum amuk katuna im thangnaba singa in sangla naduna sak sar matung nutri matamda manak nak bulaiba singda miyam da kanaki Lilong Block Congress Committee amadi Social Worker Said Anwar Hussain ga kusam naduna ngasidagi horiba Islam dharma chatpa singi senglaba Ramadan tha chagen tha ga mari leinana Lilong Kendra gi mafam da leiba isingi awaba mayok naiba mafam singda paksana thangnabi sing yenthokpa hokre ngasi ising yenthokpa hodopagi numitta Lilong Horbi makha leikai lawmanga lehu khong amadi lai khongda water tanker ani sinaduna yenthokki ising yenthokpa aduga mari leinana kumja 2022 da pangthokadoriba Manipur Vidhan Sabha da INC gi ticket ta mirep oigini haina thorang su tawriba Social Worker Said Anwar Hussain hai Islam dharma chatpa singi oinadi ising haibasi nga khwaidagi maru oiba oi haibada haimin tholoi maramdi miyamna sinariba ising singi mathakta nongda matam manga waju tawdaba yadribani maram asina asiguma senglaba tha asida isingi awaba mayok nagadaba singbu kohannaba gi panamda ising yentokpa gi thabak asi pangthokjabani ising yentokpa ase ngasidagi hawdoksabani kendra asigi mafamda leiba isingi awaba mayok leiba mafam singda sinba thungna leptana ising yentokkani haiki lamdam adongi miyamnasu ising phanganbagi damak Said Anwar Hussain bu thagatpa roinana mahakna taruba khudingmakta mai paku ursanu haina mapu da thawni jaki haina ngasi ayuk pung manga makhairom taba adwaida akan badori nuksitna maram oiraga Tamil district ki Toksem subdivision gi manung chana leiba Kaifundai village da yum amadi dukan sing yauna amanga ta thokre adubu asokapan gi paudi yauti hairi Universal Family Organization Southeast Asia Northeast India Manipur Sindona Organization asigi head office ama ngasi Imphal West district ki Tawungkhok awang may lekai da hangdokpaga loinana malemgi ningthiraba saktam haina mingthonba laik ama phongkhre Tawungkhok awang may lekai da leiba ipa loya lakba ima nungthil leima community hall da pangthokkiba thorom aduda pasoi asigi MLA Ekemira baina athoiba mitung Universal Family Organization ki president su oiba spiritual leader national and international awardee ngasekpam Nilakanta Kumanna Thromapu Loinana Kaksing SCG MLA Mayangambam Rameshwar Manipur Development Society ki chairman Warangthem Asni Kumar 3 Tungzoi DCC Senapati ki ADC members su oiba national and international awardee PA Thekona akhanaba mitung sing oina saruk yake
Aihak ki danadana Manipur ki mapanda laiba bioi kaya ki punsida afaba yai phaba lakaba tawiniba jabu ekanga thamoi sengna kurunjari punsida khwaidagi maru oibasi karino haragadi miyoiba khoigi hasam be yaw thamoi kariguma khoina thamoi asi sengaba thamoi asina miyoiba samaj ahingba samaj asibu khoina thamoi sengna nungsiba ngamaba
Sarmaba ADC Circle Toksem Subdivision Tanglam District ta PMJAY amadi CMHD enrollment drive ama social worker Apollos T Panmei Gimyeng Makada amadi State Health Agency Government of Manipur ga khusamnaduna mai pangna pangthokre tha asigi April 5 dagi sathrakhiba Director of Health Services na PMJAY District Coordinator amadi District Hospital Tamenglong staff singa punna semba timna village mapan cover tawangam ki lonena PMJAY da beneficiary Sangwa ga nipumanga amadi CMHD da beneficiary tratuk phangduna mai pangna pangthoki Indian government amadi Manipur government da piriba scheme singi kanaba phanglaba khuja singna Prime Minister Narendra Modi Manipur Chief Minister N Biren social worker Apollos T Panmei amadi enrollment tawriba maru oiba thodang lokhiba singbu thagatpa phongdorle BJYM Lilong Mandal Sinduna Lilong Tairen Makhonga executive meeting pangthokre meeting aduda athobe muthungen oina saruk yakhiba President BJYM Lilong Mandal SD Sadikur State BJYM Manipur Pradesh ki General Secretary Rinku Singh BJYM Manipur Pradesh Vice President TH Bimol Singh BJYM State Treasurer Y Roman Singh BJYM Thawal District President TH Jitendra MD Muhammad Ali President BJP Lilong Mandal ngasi meeting aduda BJYM Thawal District ki maru oiba thomi kyasu saruk yakhi Hingminasi groups Thawal Wangmatabna Sinduna group asigi mangarak suba mapok kumon thoram ngarang April 3 sajibu no panba maitei sarawu numita Wangmataba Youth Club ki lampak pangthokre thoram duda Thawal Municipal Council gi ex vice chairperson Akoijam Sanaton amadi Laikai gi ahal mariga loinana president members sing oina daisa phamki Hariba Thamduda Sayo Nayok Pajabi Mama Best Mother 2021 Democrat polling station 31 by 20 TMC ki manungda lebi masa mapan pokpi Waikhom Maton Devi sahi marfu humdoi Mapurwa lekhidraba Waikhom Babudhon Singh amadi Mainam Achawi Devi sahi humdra gamanga Mapurwa lekhidraba Mainam Ibhol Singh anibu sahi sigi joint Best Mothers 21 mingthon piduna salamadi sel gi mana piduna ikai khumlaki Lonena Waikhom Susil Nasu Laikai ahal oirba nupa nupi punna miyoi taraga nipanda angamba sahi sigi sajibu khudol tamki Thawal District Hospital da hangba COVID vaccination center da Wangjing Tentha ACG MLA Paunam Brojen Masa Laklaga ngarang COVID vaccine adu kapthokre MLA gi loina bi Paunam Ongbi Syama PROS Jaideva BJP Wangjing Tentha Mandal ki Secretary L Sunilna Jingbasu MLA ga loina na COVID vaccine kapthoki COVID vaccine kapa aduga mari lainana MLA Brojen Hai COVID vaccine kapa da karisu mi painingai leite miam hubna vaccine ase kapthok piduna license ase maithiba pemin ase vaccine kap laga safe oiba aduga kapthok tana safe oina ba honaba aduga khenaba yamna lei vaccine kapthok paga loina safe oina basu honaba na hena fai haiki India ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi na tha asigi tramathui da hodokhiba numit maridi subna sathagadaba COVID tagi ngakthok naba Paktaknana tika thaba tika utsap asida sahi nifuma surwa amade mathakta leiba miamsu thokpiraktuna hida kapthokpiu lamdam asigi Chief Minister na Manipur ase COVID tagi free oiba lamdam ama oinaba honriba ase mai pakhan minasi haiba wafamsu MLA Brojena thamki
aina lamdam sigi miamsu haiba vaccine si World Health Organization kaptho haibagi advisory thokraba loina Bharat ki onasu India ki onasu India go mena lokol khomthang amoina Loktora kre koi onaban civilization so koi me apuna makta message bi rakre masi Manipur ki praja apuna mangna haiba COVID-19 corona second wave aiba strain laiba si koi thengna bagi namakta koi puna mak gyan taminaraga haiba vaccine se kapthok ko mathau tai miam no wakal la na khali madu khanbiru banu vaccine se kapthok ko na koi safe wai haiba si civil level pung ko dima leadership puna makna lauduna lerebani doctor puna mo so haiduna lerebani
CBS in a loba class 10 amasung 12 ki exam sing ethokre ngasi Prime Minister Narendra Modi na chair logna high level meeting ama pangthokna hojik lebak asida oiriba COVID-19 ni film asida examination sing thagadra tharadra haibagi matang kanaki meeting aduda Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishant Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Cabinet Secretary School amasung Higher Education Secretary sing amadi atai top official kya saruk yaki Prime Minister Narendra Modi hai ki bada Mahiroi sing da phanam khanbana government gi ahan thabak ni Mahirosing academic career Mahandava Amade, Makoibu Haksang from the Tamhaibasi, Gomena Togadabani, Housing Coronagi situation Asida School Sing, Tingjinba, Matam Oilibani, examination Singsu, Yetopatari, Sahi Jun Amada, meeting Pamdona Oil, Pim Yangshilam Matunda, examination Singi Matam Lake Bani Hairi, Yamdravada examination Hogdavan Mitra Wani Walingada, notice tokeni Haina, Education Minister Fondoke, Class 10 exam su cancel over Haina Waribloke, Board na Piva, Markta, Kanagum Mahiri. Performance ta board na satisfy with the examine the Pamanabasu what it bloke hiding. Amurumda May Mari the Gizun Tramari Power Pantokadava class 12 exam postponed to Amade, May Mari the Gizun Tired Power Pantokadava class 10 exam cancelled to notification Ama control of examination Dr. Syam Bhardwas na Tokre. Uttarakhand government amasung dharma gi lusingba singagi marakta kupna khanarba matungda mega kumbh mela sayol ani ngankhatna ngasi losilaba yai haire mioi lisingsa kaya sahi ye oiba ganga turelda holy dip kidamak sem sadana leinari bani man ghat har ki pori da sahi snan natraga royal bath kidamak sadhu amasung devotee singi yamnaba miyamna ngasi ayuktagi ngaiduna leinaki state government hai kibda ngasi nungsil pungani phawda holy dip Laukraba Masing, Lak Mapan the Singapore, Samri, Yakini Toy Sukre. Social distancing in the single fine tearly, Adamu and Miyam Sinba, man hatching the day, social distancing Pivum sector, we see Yamului Haina, police officer Sanjay Ganjiana Fondoke. Tabaki Potarba Lamiama Hospital, lying bit of the COVID Nadru Siri Hari, Hospital, State Health Minister. Mangal Pandey Lakani Hybrid Hospital Authority na same Saba honoring Ida like Hidromu Adubu treatment peak Hidavani Hari. Naranda Medical College and Hospital the Purakiva Binod Singapore Hospital Authority na admit the Hunkide. Lake Hidraba Binod Kimasani Pan High Kivda Mahakia Popa COVID patient at the hospital Singa Mahapu admit the Yahankide. NMCH Nadi Yaki Adobu Makoibu Mapana Pungamaga Makai Nahanke Patnari kilometers Sama Kun Lapa Lucky Sharayda Leva Binod Numit Kerni Mamang the COVID positive Oiki, Mahaku State Capital, the Punanaba referred to Kibani. Tadokadu Matang, the Health Minister Mangal Pandey and Haikivda, Me Kudimakta, Medical Care Pinanaba Iko Ngamba, Adu Honabani, Adu Muem Lake the city, Iko Yam Nuite, Masi, Libactiva Togo Amani, Amrunda, Punkumari Manunda, Biharda, Mu Lissing Marihana, positive Oiki, Hausi Biharda active case, Lissing Kumarum Lay Hairi. Hauzik Aroibada Moroipo of Pijari. Indian National Army gi ahan finance kiba sahi humra tre subagi mixing kumon palan thorum pangthokre. Sahen thaga mari lenana thangbi sing yen thokre. Loksem subdivision gi Saramba ADC circle da PMJAY amadi CMST enrollment drive chathakre. Loinana CBSC na loba class 10 amadi 12 paikha ye thokre. Mahiroi Singi Damak Panama Kanbana government gi ahan bathabak ni haina Prime Minister Narendra Modi na haikre. Nasigidi Padum Sandok Saba Matang Sir Lujere Niamu Amukana Kurumjeri.